y'all, it's V, and this is our ride on the Disney Skyliner. We found the Skyliner really easy to use. The transfer station was great. You don't have to go up and down steps or ramps. It's quite easy to figure out where you need to go. We really think it's a great transportation option.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to EPCOT International Gateway, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We hope you enjoyed your visit to Hollywood today. Now wave goodbye to your adoring fans below. Bye!
What, you don't want to wave to your adoring fans?
No.
In just a few moments, we will be traveling over the headwaters of the Everglades. The water that flows from the protected wetlands around Walt Disney World Resort travels all the way to the Everglades, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Gulf of Mexico.
It did get a little windy in part of it, but I could hear the wind. I couldn't feel it. So the cars are very stable. It didn't move the cars at all.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. This is our final destination. All passengers must disembark at this station. Transfers and return service are available. Thank you for flying with us. Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y salga con cuidado. Gracias por volar con nosotros.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and EPCOT International Gateway. We are now gliding over Hourglass Lake. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. This is our final destination. All passengers must disembark at this station. Transfers and return service are available. Thank you for flying with us.
The commentary is nice, and overall, we think it's fantastic. If you are at one of the hotels that has a Skyliner, it makes it so easy to get to Hollywood Studios or EPCOT. Thank you all so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed it.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch